This is a quick fill-in the step video for how to change out your door actuator. I followed a video on YouTube and put in the new actuator, but then I realized that the lock wasn't working. So this is just a sure way of how to get it to work. So basically you can follow the other videos, instructions on how to remove your door panel. I already did that. And there's going to be a screw on the panel here, down there. This one is actually just a plug. You push it in and then pull it out. And then you can follow all the other instructions. This is just to show you after you put in the new actuator. Actually, before you put in the new actuator, there's a little rubber plug here. You'll see it. It's kind of aligned with the key lock or keyhole. So you'll pull out the plug. There's a 30, I forgot what the tip is called, a star head. So you'll loosen that. Then you can wiggle out your keyhole. And then you'll see inside that little white part, that's part of your actuator. So you need this end of the keyhole to align this pattern with that white tab in there. So basically you'll see it's like a cross right now. So you just push this in. You might want to actually take your 3 bolts, get this aligned first and set, and then align that in, and then screw in your T head or your star head and put everything back together. It's a quick video, hope that helps. I went a week without knowing that the key wasn't working, but the key fob was working. The lock was engaging and everything, but when I tried to use the key, it didn't work. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks.